afternoon and welcome to the All-American Quarter Horse Congress. I'm Mike Brown with the truck department at Haydocy Automotive right here in Columbus, Ohio. We're excited to be here at the 47th Annual Quarter Horse Congress. GMC has been an integral part of this Congress going all the way back to the late 60s. And we're happy to say we're here with 12 of our heavy-duty diesel pickup trucks and a nice display of the new 2014 Sierra for everyone to see. Congress is a unique opportunity to see everything from trailers to saddles to trucks. And the clientele here deals in heavy-duty trucks. We have our exciting Duramax diesels in 1 ton and 3/4 ton. You'll see more dual rear wheel pickups here than any one place probably in the entire state of Ohio. Haydocy has been selling GMC pickups here at Congress for over 10 years, and I have been selling them here. This is my 11th year. So we're happy to be here. There's lots to see and do. Come down and visit.